As you can see, 3 weeks ago I created first video about this game. After almost every day I told you that you can earn money from this game. So now we will check the results. Okay, on first video I invested on this game $120, and as you can see now I have on my balance $285. So per these 3 weeks I earned 2.5 much more money. The link on this game will be under this video, just click on the game link. After that you just need to click play, and then you need to connect your wallet. And as you can see, this is already my account. But if you will have some questions, you can easily ask them on my Telegram group. The link will be also under this video. After that, guys, you can click on this bottom bill, and as you can see now, maximum deposit is $450. When I invested on this game, maximum deposit was $150. So per these 3 weeks they increased maximum deposit only per $300. Okay, now for example you can invest on this game $400, and after only 3 weeks you will have too much more money. And this is the graphic of this game. As you can see, this game is only increasing and will increase on the future. As you can see, the maximum amount on the player's deposit will be $10,000. So from $450 they will increase this maximum deposit to $10,000. And you need to understand that it takes a lot of time, and all of this time we will earn money. So I already earned 2.5 much more money. Now I want to earn $600, and after I will decide reinvest my money or withdraw. Okay, subscribe on my channel and also watch previous video about this game.